File preparation for VCAT and Magistrates Court. Obviously, I can't go into a lot of details because there's different context to how to prepare each file based on a different scenario. However, I can give you an overview of what needs to be done. Jazz Real Estate Eview Group is all about training and training others and learning and sharing the knowledge. Number one thing, what I say to my clients is our rental providers and the landlords who manage their rental properties through us enjoy the peace and the comfort of knowing that if anything has to go wrong, Jazz Real Estate and their team has a fallback option, and they do have dedicated staff, teams, and the consultants who would be there by their side to manage and look after them. Knowing that we have a really good and great understanding on the legislations in Magistrates Court, perhaps on RTA, I should say, or perhaps when it comes down to Rental Tenancies Act or the legislation revolving around it, and the acts which surround these acts as well. There's a lot of different acts like Water Act, then there is the act which regulates the consumers, Australian consumer law, that is also part of, and that has been used in people's advantages in the past. There's different sections and acts that actually come under the process. Number one thing I would suggest is that knowing that if things have to go wrong, do you feel and have 100% trust that your property management company or your property managers are strong enough to be able to represent you in front of a court or magistrates? Understand that if you are an investor living outside Victoria, your jurisdiction is not under VCAT. It has to go through Magistrates Court. Knowing the Magistrates Court process and knowing how to be ready for the case and preparation and argue the matters, and also thinking out of the box and making sure that preparing the case and the file in a way that you have a higher chance of winning or perhaps a higher chance of getting a favorable outcome. One thing I've learned is VCAT or perhaps Magistrates Court or court hearings, no one wins, is something that I've been told recently. And I actually feel that it's true. No one wins. It's all about favorable or not so favorable outcome for one party. Avoiding the VCAT and Magistrates Court is always ideal. That happens obviously with the starting of the process, and the issue can be mitigated between the parties amicably. If not, then be ready for a fight, and if you have a good team who can fight for you, then absolutely great. If not, we're always here to look after yourself. Take care.